जो लोग इस इंडस्ट्री से नहीं है
Yeah.
उनके लिए यू नीड अ शेफ, you need a waiter, and maybe that's all, maybe someone to manage the reception.
That's correct.
But actual में कितने लोगों को hire करना पड़ता है, at what positions to run a successful cafe or restaurant?
Yeah, sorry, I can't emphasize this enough. You need an accountant. You just cannot do well without, because again, unless you're a business person first, entering this industry, most people would be people who've sort of trained their chops in a culinary school or anything. So they might not have the requisite business skills on board.
Yeah.
They must partner up, or they must be able to find the right kind of professional to be able to give them sound financial advice. So let's break it up, right? You need a front of house team, a back of house team, and you need like a core business team, right? You need somebody to take care of you need somebody to take care of your finances for you, give you sound financial advice, right? So you definitely need that person. That could be a CA helping you out if you have a great relationship, or you'll have to hire an accountant for yourself, right? That's one. This accountant can help you, or you yourself you'll have to contribute, but between the two of you, you can split your HR duties, at least when you're starting out. Eventually, when you scale up to a large point, you might have to get a HR team in also, but in the beginning, they can, between you and the accountant, you can be able to figure out your HR processes.
Yeah.
Then when it comes to back of house team, you definitely need a good chef who's be able to take care of your processes. For some restaurants, the chef does take care of their purchase also. Do I recommend that? Not really. I feel a purchase manager, if you can afford it and if he's well experienced, game changer, right? Because they can totally help you out with...
so you have one purchase manager for
correct.
all your outlets, right?
Correct. For all Melt Houses, we have one purchase manager.
Okay.
But each outlet also has a purchase executive in place.
Okay.
So, which is why we are able to control our costs and make sure everything is dialed in, because we purchase centrally, then we dispatch to outlets, and they have to make sure they tally their inventory. Because inventory out from the main store, inventory in at the outlet. That's how the process kind of pans out. So, purchase manager, highly recommended. Chef again for back of the kitchen. If you can afford it, I will also recommend a controller, a cost controller, that is, right? And most people can't afford a full-time cost controller, at least when they're starting out. So they have an option of hiring a part-time cost controller. Will not be as effective, but will do the job.
Okay. Can you elaborate? एक purchase manager exactly क्या करता है?
जी, purchase manager takes care of your vendor relationships, and mostly, for example, if your chef needs a certain product, he'll be able to find you that right vendor who has that product. He will be able to compare cost with 4 different outlets to be able to find कौन सा vendor अच्छे payment terms पे best cost पे आपको दे रहा है. So this is the first part of his job, is to find you vendors. Then उनके साथ ordering relationship बनाना. जैसा मान लीजिए whatever your company process are, your chef will tell the purchase manager उसको क्या requirement है. Purchase manager vendor को order करेगा, inventory receive करेगा, inventory का data पूरा enter करेगा. He'll make sure that he's logging all the inventory ever received and all the inventory which has been dispatched to the kitchen, right? So whichever departments, be it front of house or back of house, जो भी inventory लेते हैं, purchase manager data पूरा log करता है. And then all the vendor payments that have to be made, he'll be able to track all of those, and he'll make sure in general you have a very smooth process with your inventory. Inventory in करना, out करना, payments करना, track करना, vendor relationship manage करना, getting new process in, all of this is done by the purchase manager.
Okay.
Some of them, depending on their experience, also help you with cost control. But from what I know, cost controller is a different designation and is a different job profile.
Okay.
A cost controller's job is to make sure whatever process you've set up, whatever recipes you've set up, the kitchen and the service team is following those recipes. Quantities उतना exact use हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है, और आप अपना food cost target या अपना beverage cost target meet कर रहे हो कि नहीं कर रहे हो. This is what a controller does.
Okay.
So a part-time controller is an option. A full-time purchase manager is a great thing to have. You can't do without a chef, so you must need a chef.
Yeah.
And the chef will bring in his team, so like a
Yes.
Commie 1, Commie 2, DCDP, depending on the designation. That's the back of the house. In front of the house, it's advisable to have a manager so that your workload can be reduced. Because I feel for an aspiring entrepreneur, you should be mostly focusing on your brand and your story, right? You can't do everything. If you are going to do everything, you will eventually end up spreading yourself out too thin and might not be able to do justice to anything you're up to, right? So it's best to focus. For example, within our organization, I focus heavily on telling our brand story, our marketing, our vision, and how we're taking the brand forward. This is what I do, right? I also supervise a lot of other departments. However, those guys are professionals and they do their job very, very well. My job is only to make sure कि हम लोग जो हमारे business objectives हैं वो meet करें नहीं करें. I just follow up and check with them.
Okay.
But I 100% believe in my team. So similarly, front of house, a manager is always advisable because they'll take up a large portion of your burden. They'll make sure that the guest experience, इफ़ एंड ऑल यू सेट अप ग्रेट ट्रेनिंग प्रोसेसेस, दे विल टेक केयर कि यार कस्टमर के साथ जितना भी इंटरेक्शन है या जो कस्टमर फ्लो है, कस्टमर जर्नी है, वो प्रॉपरली एग्जीक्यूट हो रही कि नहीं हो रही है. आपका बेवरेज का सारा काम यूजुअली फ्रंट ऑफ हाउस डील करता है. सो वेदर दैट इज बीइंग टेकन केयर ऑफ और नॉट, ऑल ऑफ दिस इज डन बाय मैनेजर, एंड मैनेजर के नीचे दे ब्रिंग इन देयर ओन wait staff, or as we
Okay.
call the stewards, your junior stewards, your senior stewards, your captains. All this is front of house team. Together they make a team. Even your hostess who ends up attending and welcoming guests is a part of the front of the house team. So back of the house, front of the house, housekeeping, which can be shared between two departments, and an office team. This is largely the kind of team structure that you need in place to be able to successfully run a business. और ये बिल्कुल bare bones skeletal team है. You can keep adding to it as you grow, but I feel this
This
much
is a
if you
must.
have,
Yeah.
it's a great thing to have.
Okay.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगी और ऐसी और वीडियोस देखना चाहते हैं, सो मेक श्योर टू फॉलो ट्रूफुल नेशन ऑन यूट्यूब.